We are in dairy produced market in Fairfield, and this guy, he just sell organic stuff. And Taylor here, she's just excited, believe it or not. People shopping with the wheelbarrows, it's like that. And this is young girl that's down here, and see how they collect the fruit and vegetables. It's like that. That's a watermelon, potatoes, and it's a big, huge market just for the vegetables. And as a matter of fact, you could just go and pick the stuff yourself if you like. Anyway, this is my daughter. She's excited. She don't know what she's doing. She's just playing with the pomegranate and fruits. Hello, say hi. Hi. طبعا هاي مكان يبيعون به الخضرة. هو عنده بستان هذا الرجال. احنا مدينة فيريها بكاليفورنيا. ويقطعونه من الحديقة من البستان مالته ويبيعونه مباشر. جينا نتصور، دائما نتصور. طبعا الفيلم هو للأهل على مود يشوفون البنية هاي. خالاتها وعماتها جدتها يشوفون هذا. Taylor? Baba? Baba? No? No, 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 no. Let's go inside down there. Higher mango, avocado, peaches, cherry, apple, a lot of vegetables down here. Onion. الناس تشتري في العرباين. هاي البنية تضيع من عندي. Where are you going? You're gonna be in YouTube. You will be in YouTube. Vanish, I can see you. Where are you going, bro? Where are you going? Where are you going? Say hi. You will be in YouTube with Larry. Say hi. Hi. Yalla.